Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed every time you have to clean your house? Don't worry, you're not alone. Cleaning can be a daunting task, but with these tips, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest cleaning challenge with ease and have fun while doing it. Make a plan. Before you start cleaning, make a list of everything you need to do and prioritize it. This way, you won't miss anything and you'll have a roadmap to follow. Take it one room at a time. Don't try to clean everything at once, as it will only overwhelm you. Focus on one room, like the kitchen, and once you're done, move on to the next one. Get the right tools. Invest in a good set of cleaning products and tools. A microfiber cloth, a bucket, and a good vacuum cleaner are essential for any cleaning arsenal. Set a timer. Give yourself a time limit for each task. When the timer goes off, take a break and do something enjoyable before diving back in. Get the whole family involved. Cleaning is a team sport, so involve everyone in the household. Assign tasks to each person and make it fun. Turn up the music. Sing and dance while you work. Who says cleaning can't be a party? If you find it hard to keep up with cleaning, use a cleaning schedule. This way, you'll know exactly what you need to do and when, and you won't have to worry about forgetting anything. Don't forget to reward yourself. Once you're done, treat yourself to something you enjoy, like a long bath or a movie. You deserve it. Finally, keep it simple. Don't overthink things. Cleaning doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple, and you'll get the job done in no time. In conclusion, cleaning can be an overwhelming task, but with a little bit of planning, the right tools, and a positive attitude, you'll be able to conquer it in no time. So turn up the music, grab your cleaning supplies, and let's get to work. Who knows, you might even find that you enjoy cleaning. So go ahead, give it a try, and make cleaning fun. If you're still watching the video, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.